Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to change the bulb of your microwave. Well, my microwave bulb has been already fused. See, as you can see, this was the bulb, but I don't have currently that same bulb, so I just break it up, the bulb, and I'm going to make a LED bulb instead of this light bulb. As you can see, I have this LED bulb with me. I just taken out the wires of this LED bulb and I fixed it up in that. Just hold on. I just had this link wire on it, so there would be no short circuit. I just add this bulb on it. Now it's time to check. As you can see, it's giving the roshni. Giving the light. Just add some tape, just electrical tape on the circuit, so make sure there would be no short circuit, and just put some double tape so it can easily stick. Now I have fixed all the pages, and this is the last thing which I need to fix. This is a exhaust fan. I have to fix it up right now. Just put up the belt. I have already done that. Now it's time to check.